Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows.
So first of all, go to settings, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar.
Now simply hover over the gear icon. Now you'll be able to find the option for settings, click on it. Now you can see over here settings will be opened.
You'll be able to find several options over here.
What you have to do is find the option for apps and click on it. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. Make sure the option for apps and features is selected. Once this option has been selected, you'll be led to the apps and features interface. You'll be able to find all the applications over here. What you have to do is simply identify the application that you want to uninstall. Once you do that, simply click on that application. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find two options, modify, uninstall. Click on the option uninstall. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click on the option uninstall. Depending on the application that you're uninstalling, you might also have to specify the reason. So simply click on the reason of your choice. Now click on the option uninstall. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on the option uninstall. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here that particular application will be successfully uninstalled. So that is how you uninstall apps on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.